new material for today. So here we got the Clausal Connective. Last time we did go, right? This time we're gonna do 지만, means but or although. And the conjugation is pretty easy because you only need to use the stem of the verb. So, for instance, let's do some sentence. I travel often but don't take pictures. So obviously we need to come up with the one single sentence by using the clausal connective 지만. I travel often. So 저는 여행을 often, 자주, and then it's to do traveling, so it's the verb is 하다, right? But we're gonna continue and say but I don't take pictures. So 하다 stem and then just 하지만. So 하지만 저는 여행을 자주 하지만 사진은 I don't take, which is 사진 찍다, to take a photo, to take a picture. 안 찍어요. 저는 여행을 자주 하지만 사진은 안 찍어요. I travel often, but I don't take pictures. The next one. I couldn't go to the birthday party, but I bought a present. So, birthday party, 생일 파티. And as for the birthday party, we can do like this. 생일 파티에는, if you just say 생일 파티에, that's fine. Okay, so I couldn't go, so 못. And then 가다 past, got. And now just 아지만. 생일 파티에는 못 갔지만 I bought a present. 선물을 샀어요. 생일 파티에는 못 갔지만 선물을 샀어요. But if you wanted to say present tense, you can, right? 생일 파티에는 못 가지만, right? So one is a past, one is a present.